Hi guys, so today it is Thursday, February 9th. I have a doctor's appointment today at 9:30. Surprisingly, yesterday I woke up with an 89 fasting number. So today it's 93 or 94, like it went back up to the usual, but yeah. I also have to figure out where I can get my Levemir insulin because there is a shortage, so I might want to call around and try to see where I can get my prescription transferred to. I did my shot this morning and then I ate half a PBJ that I made for my husband for 2 days now, and he still hasn't ate it, so I don't have time to cook something in the morning. I didn't wake up until 7:30 and I actually didn't get out of bed until almost 8, so I just took my time getting ready, and I need to remind myself to test my blood sugar in an hour. It's 12 o'clock right now and I'm finally back home. I actually went over to my parents' house for a little bit after my appointment. My provider had to go do a C-section, so she was running about 30 minutes behind. So my appointment today, she told me that she wants to induce me at 39 weeks instead. I'm hoping baby will come naturally without having to be induced, and also how well I control my blood sugars and everything else comes into a factor. And I'm scheduled for weekly NSTs. She's going to be seeing me once every week in 2 weeks, and she'll do an ultrasound as well on the days that I'm not doing an ultrasound with a high-risk pregnancy clinic. We are looking at 7 weeks. That's pretty much just kind of what she went over. It feels so surreal that baby will be here pretty much like any time now, just because I feel like my mind is so focused on other things that I forget that every week is a countdown to baby's due date. We went and got some burritos for dinner, so I'm pretty sure my blood sugar is gonna spike because I ate the entire giant burrito. No, I shouldn't have, but I was really hungry and I just really needed to eat, so I had that along with some tater tots. So I'm pretty sure my blood sugar is gonna spike pretty high, so we'll see what it actually turns out to be. We just left Costco. We didn't get a lot. We just got some water, strawberries, and a pack of baby wipes, but I need to buy some more test strips. I feel like it's not gonna work because I can feel that residue of alcohol. 127. So if I didn't eat the potatoes, I might have been good. Oh, so I can have burritos. I just can't have the potatoes.
It's pretty good.
Cool.
For that big heavy meal.
Okay.
And that was a lot of potatoes.
I know, I did eat a lot. Love you. So the bassinet that I got for our baby finally came in. We're gonna set it up. I'll put a link down below. I actually got it off from Amazon. Hi guys, welcome back, and sorry it's been 2 weeks since I updated, and I just want to update you guys a little bit on my pregnancy. I am currently 33 weeks and 5 days pregnant. I will be 34 on Saturday, so we are almost to the finish line. And I just had my follow-up appointment with my pharmacist just now, and I'm still having issues with my fasting number in the morning. Surprisingly, yesterday I had an 86, which is the lowest I've ever had. I don't know how, because sometimes my number just fluctuates a lot. My day numbers are pretty good, so I get a few spikes here and there, but she's not super worried about it. And so we're gonna be bumping my night units to 30 and keeping the morning at 25. So I just did my morning injection not too long ago before my appointment. I'm doing my first NST today, which is a non-stress test. I'm gonna be doing those every single week until baby is born. Every Thursday from now on out, I'm gonna be going to appointments or weekly appointments. So it's definitely like a lot to try to keep up with, but I'm definitely doing my best. So just a little update on how my appointment went. I thought that the machine was gonna be hooked onto my belly, like strapped on, so that I didn't have to hold anything and I could just sit there and relax, but no, that was not the case. I had to sit there, I lay down, and I had to hold the monitor on my belly to make sure that I can hear my baby's heartbeat so that it reads on the monitor. It was really annoying because I couldn't be comfortable and I had to lay down at a certain angle and press that monitor on my belly with a certain amount of pressure so that it picks up on the heartbeat. And there were times where it didn't catch baby's heartbeat, where it like fell off. So I ended up being on the monitor, I think, for probably like, I want to say almost 40 minutes. She's gonna want me to go in and do them twice a week, so I have an appointment scheduled for Monday afternoon at 3:20. This is my belly today. I am getting more stretch marks, especially down here, and I can really feel the weight of baby, especially in the middle of the night when I'm trying to turn in bed. It definitely feels heavy. Baby is like right here. Sometimes my stomach just gets like really tense. So we just got done with our maternity photo shoot. I had my cousin do our pictures for us. I'm so excited to see them. Hopefully we look okay in them and not so crappy, because the sun was really bright, so our eyes got really watery and we had like snot in our nose. But other than that, I'm happy that we got them done. And today surprisingly wasn't as cold as the past couple of days. It was still cold, but it was tolerable. So we don't really have anything else planned for the rest of the day. It just depends if we want to go shopping or not.